So we're in a wind advisory, and Sadie insists on being outside. The winds are, a good 40 miles an hour. At least the gusts are 40, 45 at this point. They've been as high as 60. And the temperatures have dropped down to, I think it's 42 now, so the wind chill's close to 0. But Sadie wants to be outside. You can see the wind flapping her ears. I am staying inside, so you're getting this view from the crack of the door just being open. She's a silly dog, just sniffing the wind. We are in the deserts of Southern California. Creosote bush behind her. Gorgeous area. I do love places with lots of geology to look at. And out in the desert, it's so apparent because there's not trees covering everything. Because I miss trees. But this particular area has a lot of volcanic layers, which I'll show you in another video. There are some cinder cones to the west, to the east of us. I believe there's some to the south. I wouldn't be surprised if there are others in the area. And while they're not huge, apparently there have been some pretty substantial eruptions in the distant past, because on some of the hills I could count up to 6 layers of clearly volcanic material interspersed with other sediments. They've been uplifted. A lot of the rocks around here are also clearly volcanic. You can see the vesicles, the little air pockets from some of the lighter stones that have been cast out. I'll get my terminology correct and then get back to you some other day with that geology video. This is just Puppy in the desert. Getting her sniff on, as you might say. Alert to anything that changes in her atmosphere. We hear the occasional car go past on the road about 1/10 of a mile from here. She's definitely looking for more cows, because the cows are something to be barked at ferociously, and also they leave fascinating piles of cow pies. Thankfully there aren't any fresh ones around here, but she finds an old one, and she is on a beeline to get to it. It's one of our major disagreements right now. You are not going to eat cow pies. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope it's a little warmer than ours is today. Take care.